right? Because even if you do that, you still have the remaining question for the rest of your life, which is, so I've done the company, but to be a human means choosing responsibilities. I still have that question. And you might find that what you're doing is an incredible use of yourself, or you might find that it's not. So I don't think there's a magic answer to that. Now, the one thing I would say is over time, something I've learned working with some founders is that, or teaching them, I don't really consult, I would be terrible at that, but I give them questions. There's what I would describe as a point allocation transition. And this can be a really powerful way to think about your evolution. So let's take Bill Gates. That's one that we would all know. Bill Gates, in say the late 80s, 100 points Microsoft, 0 points anything else. Starting in about the early 90s, there was the early stages of the foundation that would then relate to health and education and all the things, right? So it was like maybe 90 points Microsoft, 10 points the foundation, then kind of moving along, steps away from the CEO role, maybe goes 70 points, he's still chairman and all that, 70 points, 60 points Microsoft, 40 points the foundation. Then you get all the way out to today. There's still 10 or 20 points Microsoft, because he's involved in future technologies and what AI will do and what the long-term future of software is and all of that. But it's 80, 90 points on things like world health and education. And so if you look at that arc, it wasn't Microsoft, 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 bam, done, foundation. It was point reallocation over time. And so one of the strategies that you could follow is one of saying, I may be 100-0 building my company today, but I could reach a point where I can do a point reallocation model that might take 2 or 3 decades. And that allows you to not fall into this 1-0, oh gosh, now I'm done and lost in the fog or whatever, but I can move in deliberate steps. And I would really encourage thinking about that.